What was Byzantine physics and mechanics? If you're curious about the scientific achievements of the Byzantine Empire, particularly in the fields of physics and mechanics, you're in for a fascinating journey through history. Let's explore what Byzantine physics and mechanics were all about. Byzantine science was essentially a continuation of classical science, and it made significant contributions to our understanding of the physical world. One of the key figures in Byzantine physics was John Philoponus, also known as John the Grammarian. He was a critic of Aristotle's theories, especially when it came to the concept of free fall. Philoponus argued that the time it takes for objects to fall does not depend on their weight, which was a revolutionary idea at the time. His work would later influence Galileo Galilei, who also challenged Aristotelian physics. The Byzantines also developed the theory of impetus, which was a precursor to modern concepts of inertia. This theory suggested that an object in motion would continue to move unless acted upon by an external force. This idea was similar to what would later become Newton's first law of motion. In terms of mechanical innovations, the Byzantines were quite advanced. They created complex mechanical devices, such as sundials with intricate gears and hydraulic systems. For instance, the Byzantine emperor had a hydraulic throne that could rise and fall, showcasing their mastery of hydraulics. They also used mechanical devices like the ship mill, which harnessed the energy of streams to mill grains. This technology spread throughout Europe and was used until around 1800. The Byzantines were skilled craftsmen and inventors. For example, the philosopher Leo of Thessalonica created mechanical toys for the Emperor Theophilus, including a golden tree with artificial birds that flapped their wings and sang, a moving lion that roared, and a bejeweled clockwork lady who walked. These inventions continued the tradition of mechanical devices described in the works of Heron of Alexandria. Byzantine science also preserved and transmitted the works of classical antiquity. Large private libraries and monasteries housed hundreds of books, ensuring that the knowledge of the past was not lost. This preservation played a crucial role in the development of science during the Renaissance. In summary, Byzantine physics and mechanics were characterized by critical thinking, innovative mechanical devices, and the preservation of classical knowledge. The work of scholars like John Philoponus and the inventive spirit of Byzantine craftsmen laid the groundwork for many of the scientific advancements that followed in later centuries.